Todd Horn with TexasBoatBuyers.com and beautiful Flower Bluff. We're going to do a sea trial of the Blue Wave 220 Classic, fully gone through, top to bottom, rub rail to tires, like brand new. Here we go. Grab a handrail, Rob. Have a rub rail, Rob. Say hi to Weddle real quick. You never know. It could be his last trip. Oh, the Weddle, the pedal. All right, here we go, boys. Get my trim down again. 3, 2, 1. Love it. That's a good boat, Paw. We're going to take her all the way home. We'll shut her down in the channel, do the kill switch, kill start program. See if we don't find anything wrong. Skip back, choo-choo. One way or the other. I'm going to leave these boys alone, so I'm going to cut across back over towards the channel. Pick them RPMs up to 57. 53 to 57 is what they're running. There's that oyster. I met him before 4 in the morning on a much bigger boat.
get out fishing for a while. Oh, that fucking look wrong end of the motor, man. This how the boat looks a whole lot like more fun. Yeah.
That's all I can ask for on a first run. Come on now. This is why we do this. We got a pretty good team down here in Flower Bluff, and I'll tell you what, I'm blessed to have it. We want to thank Chris for the opportunity to buy this boat from them and finish it out. They're busy in the season, needed the room. And my crew, Rob, Matt, and Bernie. And it's a fun boat. I don't even think it's going to hit the market. I got a few people that are looking. Thanks a lot. TexasBoatBuyers.com.